Mysore is in the southern part of Karnataka, India, at the base of the Chamundi Hills. It's about 146 kilometers southwest of Bangalore, the state capital. MysoreZoo, officially known as Sri Chamarajendra Zoological Gardens, is a composite of zoological gardens and animal park. It is the oldest zoo in India and one of the oldest in the world. It is home to a wide range of over 168 species. MysoreZoo was created from the private menagerie of Chamraja Wodeyar X, the 23rd Maharaja of Mysore. In 1892, on 10 acres of the Summer Palace. Over the next 10 years, the zoo was expanded to 45 acres with spacious enclosures that are still in use. Initially as a private zoo and was named as Khas Bangale. It was also called as Tamasha Bangale. The zoo, which has now spread over an area of 250 acres, was initially meant for the exclusive visit of the royal family, but public entry started as early as 1920. Timings: entrance fee Conat, timings 10 am to 5:30 pm, Tuesday holiday. Entrance fee, child 50 rupees, adult 100 rupees. Popular animals at zoo: tigers, including white tiger, lions, jaguars, giraffe, zebra, leopards, rhinos, birds, elephants, hippopotamus. Mysore Palace, also known as Amba Vilas Palace, is a historical palace and a royal residence. It is located in Mysore, Karnataka, India. It used to be the official residence of the Wodeyar dynasty and the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as the city of the palaces, and there are 7 palaces including this one. However, the Mysore Palace refers specifically to the one within the new fort. The entrance fee to get into the palace grounds is 100 rupees per adult, 50 rupees per child aged 7 to 18 years old, and free for children younger than 7 years old. The Railway Museum was established in 1979 by Indian Railways, the second such museum after the National Railway Museum in Delhi. The museum is opposite the Central Food Technology and Research Institute on Krishnaraja Sagar Road. It has locomotives and a gallery of photographs and paintings depicting the growth of railways in India. Railway signals and lights are also displayed. The museum has a battery-operated mini-train giving a short ride for children on the grounds. Mysore Railway Museum timings are 10 am to 5:30 pm. Visitors can visit this museum on all days of the week except on Tuesdays. Visitors are charged a minimal entry fee for exploring the marvelous collection at this railway museum. Entry fee for adults is said to be 50 rupees per person, while for child it is 20 rupees only. Mysore Railway Museum is easily accessible as it is located quite near to the railway station of Mysore. From the city center, it is about 3 kilometers away.